Stuart Carter here from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Kona. This particular one is a 1 litre TGDI 120 PS Premium SE, top of the range, 5-door, 6-speed manual in tangerine comment. The car was pre-registered, so Hyundai UK are the first keepers of the vehicle, and it's only done 14 miles currently. Now it has things like leather upholstery, cruise control, climatic controlled air conditioning, satellite navigation, alloy wheels, just to name a few features to this lovely car. If you'd like to come and have a look at it, we're on London Road in Dorchester, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. I hope you enjoy the video.